Welcome to Eaton Wiring Devices Evolution Virtual Booth. We'll be going through some of the new items that are in the warehouse, such as the new USB AC receptacles with a 5-inch charging capacity, which are available in both white and ivory, and in 15 and 20 amp units. We also have the new universal dimmers, which work with all different bulb types and work both single and three-way applications. On the decorator dimmers, they come with color change kits for both ivory, light almond, and white. We also have 3 new colors in the warehouse: rub bronze, silver granite, and light almond, that go perfectly with any type of granite countertops. We also have the new color-coded locking devices, which is easy to identify the voltage, such as a 20, a 30 amp unit. We also have the Smart Start program with our planograms, which are available in all 4, 8, 12, and 16 and 32 foot. They're all 50% off in lieu of any type of buyback or reset costs. You get free POP material, such as the bin tags, the bin tag holders, and the headers. And all the items in our planograms are backed up in Orgel's warehouse. We also have the holiday display, which is a freestanding display with all the top selling adapters. We offer a 10% discount off regular pricing plus freight prepaid, and it's all backed in Orgel's warehouse. And if you place an order, you can enter to win any of one of these great prizes. Please go check out our pallet deals and show specials.